All right, folks, here are the 5 biggest mistakes that traders make that cause them to quit. Here we go, number 5. Jumping from strategy to strategy. In other words, you're being impatient. Back in my day, we didn't have time for impatience. I understand that when you run into difficulties, one of the first instincts is to say, hey, this strategy isn't working. Let me find a new one. I have done that myself. Almost every single trader has done that out there. But the problem is, as soon as you give up on a strategy too soon, it makes giving up the next time that much easier. And you're going to find yourself a serial strategy jumper. And believe me, that is no way to be a successful trader. Number 4, not testing your strategy first. Now you may think, hey, I'll just test it as I trade it. But believe me, it's a whole lot faster and cheaper and more painless to test out that strategy first before you just start trading it live. Patience, again. A leap of faith is one thing, but test your strategy first. Here we go, number 3, risking too much. Risking too much is something people will do to try to make money faster, or better yet, try to make back their money faster. Revenge trading. Patience. What that means is, depending on your trading style, day trading versus swing trading, you might only be able to risk 0.5% per trade, 1% per trade, 0.25% per trade. Take your normal amount of trade and divide them into 5 to 6%. That'll give you how much you should risk per trade. That is one of the keys to long-term trading success. Number 2, getting emotional over trades. Not sure how I feel about that one. Emotions are one of the worst things that you can bring to your trading. Anger can make you want to revenge trade, get your money back from that market that just took it. Discouragement can lead you to quit. One of the worst ones actually is pride. You can feel 10 feet tall and bulletproof, and that's going to make you do some stupid things in the market. What? No comments? No. Back in my day, we couldn't afford emotions. And the number 1 biggest mistake traders make causing them to quit: unrealistic expectations. Now look, I know that there are plenty of people out there on the internet who say they can give you 40% return a day, a month, a week, whatever it is. But let me just tell you, you might can make 40% that one time, but you're never going to have long-term success with those kind of expectations. 2% a month is both very difficult and very realistic. So make sure you don't set your expectations too high. You got something to say? No, go right ahead. I can't wait to see this. Can somebody get him some ice? All right, folks, there they are, the 5 biggest mistakes traders make that cause them to quit. Until next time, I'll see y'all next week. Is he okay?